Hey everyone, my name is Ganesh. I am from Andhra. Recently, I graduated from Madanpalli Institute of Technology and Science in May 2023. Later, I came to Bangalore for embedded course. I joined in Emertxe, which is referred by my friend. With the help of mentors and placement team and all, they helped very well to get placed in a good company. Last month, I placed in Accord Software and Systems, which is good in semiconductors, embedded making, and some custom applications development. Come to embedded teaching and how they are treating students and how well they are supported means very fascinated and fantastic. Each and every question we asked, they will provide with a good solution and they will explain very well with the examples. We can easily get the topic. Even though I am from CSE, they guided me well and helped me to place it in core embedded systems. Thank you.